Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to go over these faux leather seat covers. They're from a company called Proadsy. I'm also going to show you how to install them and why I chose these versus the other brands, so stick around. One thing I liked about these seat covers was the ease of installation and the feel and look of them. They're also a full wraparound seat cover, and they do have the spot here for the airbag to come out. These covers go completely over the back of the seat, and they also have storage compartments just like your normal factory installed seat covers. In this seat cover kit you'll receive both passenger and driver's side back seat covers along with the base, the seat base, and the headrests, and it'll also include the rear seat covers, the backs and the tops as well, along with the headrests for the back seats as well. Included are these clips to help you install them. Here's a look at the seats before and after. This is the factory installed seat cover. And here is a look at the seat cover from Proadsy. So the first step you want to do is lower your car seat all the way down and then remove your headrest. The next step you want to do is find your passenger seat base cover here. It'll be labeled. Go ahead and remove these straps. And now you're going to need to take these straps and tuck them underneath your seat and grab them from the back side. And then you will feed them underneath to the front side here. And then they will reattach to these hooks here and tighten them up, snug them up. Go ahead and take this end piece flap here and tuck it down underneath your seat. Now you got to come around back to the back of the seat and find your straps and feed those out, and then slide them underneath the seat to the front so you can reattach them to the buckles. Go ahead and find your buckle here and then feed it through. Then go ahead and snug it up. Do the same thing on this side over here for this strap. Now you want to find the seat back and go ahead and just feed it over the top. It's going to be a firm fit. Just keep working it. Just keep working both sides down until you get it all the way seated. Once you have it all the way seated, then you need to go ahead and slide these holes over the top of the slots for your headrests. And it should look like this when you're finished. A little trick to help you get that pushed underneath there is to lay your seat back as far as it can go. It'll give you a little bit more space and you'll be able to tuck it up underneath there easier. Now the final step for this backrest piece, you need to install these clips on here. They just spread open and you can slide them on through here. Do one on each side. Then you take these hooks and feed them up underneath. There'll be a little white plastic clips up underneath on your seat that you're going to need to attach them to. The final step for the front seats are the headrests. Go ahead and slide these covers over the top. I think the best way is just to start it off with one side in like this and start to work the other side over the top. Just keep working it around, pushing down on the foam, and just keep sliding that cover over the top. Once you have it centered, go ahead and just take your Velcro, attach it, and go ahead and replace it back into the headrest slots. Here's a quick look at everything installed. Now for the rear seat, the passenger side is just velcroed on. So you're going to slide it over the top. And it's probably easier to do it with this up out of the way, so you can get at this side. Slides right on over. This side's quite simple. And then you're going to need to feed your child seat buckle harness, your child seat buckles through these slots here. Put you right down in here. Once you got it formed into place, get your buckles through, your buckle clips. Just go ahead and go around and push the Velcro all up tight against it. For the next step, just go and release your back seat. Take your headrest off. Find the single backrest seat cover. And this here will have a zipper on the side. Go ahead and release that. Now slide it up over the top. Once you have it over the top, you can go ahead and zipper this back up. Now for this flap, you want to just pull this forward, your bottom seat cover part. Tuck this flap up underneath. And you want to make sure that that flap stays above your child safety seat buckles here on both sides. And then you can go ahead and tuck this flap back in, making sure that those buckles are also exposed again. And then go ahead and put the headrest cover over the top like we did on the passenger side front seat. Alright, now to install this side, it's best to lay your passenger side seat down and raise this one up slightly, because this one's going to have some straps that you gotta feed back behind the seat back. The easiest way to feed those straps through once you have them behind your seat back is raise this seat up, and then you can feel down underneath here. You can get your strap and you got to tuck it up. As you can see here, I now have the strap from this side. Once you have all 4 straps fed through, go ahead and lower down the seat base. Pull your straps tight. And go ahead and feed them through the buckles and snug them up. Once you have all your straps through the buckles, a little tip to help snug them up is to lift your seat back up. Feel underneath there, you can find your strap and pull it through the seat and then pull up towards the back side. You'll be able to snug up that seat cover a lot more. Now the final step, the seat base here. This again is just a Velcro style. Just slides in place. Probably easiest if you lift up on it a little bit. Get the seat cover in place where you like it, and then go ahead and just rub on the Velcro, make sure it's secured. Here's a look at the finished product. If you're looking to protect your factory seat covers, I recommend checking out this product from Proadsy. The feel of it is really nice. It's almost got the real leather feel. They seem really durable. They're padded. And one thing I want to mention is that when you're installing them, everything is a really tight fit. So take your time, get it where you want it, and you're going to be satisfied with the results. The nice thing about that tight fit is everything is going to look like it was factory installed and a factory finish. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get your seat covers. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.